Good day, welcome to week 3 of our data analysis challenge. This week we're going to be working on customer lifetime value prediction, in which we're going to be using past purchase behavior to estimate customers' future spending for understanding. Now, what is the purpose of our analysis? Now, our purpose for this analysis is to understand how long customers stay active before dropping off, measure how much revenue each customer's retention category contributes, identify patterns and gaps in customer loyalty across different time spans. Now, why does this matter? Well, because retention directly impacts lifetime revenue per customer. Knowing which segment brings the most value help in targeted marketing. It also improves decision making for promotion, restocking, and customer engagement strategies. Now, what are the key questions this analysis is going to answer? It's going to answer which retention category has the highest number of customers, which category drives the most revenue, where do we see the highest churn risks, and which segment should be focused on for growth. Now, what's the methodology we're going to use? First of all, data preparation. We're still going to be making use of the same data we'll be using for the past couple weeks. And after that, the next step is to define our retention category. We'll calculate our retention months, which is the month between the first and last purchase dates. Then we're going to group the customers into categories of 1 month, 4 to 6 months, 13 months, 7 to 12 months, and 2 to 3 months. Then the next step is our analysis process, in which we are going to create two pivot tables, one for count of customers by retention category and the second one sum of revenue by retention category. And after that, we're going to visualize our results using column charts for easy comparison. Then after we've gotten our visualization charts and our pivot table, we're going to extract insights, compare customer count distribution to revenue distribution, and identify high value and at risk segments. Now for customer retention distribution, that is customer count of customers by retention category. This is our pivot table. From here, we can see from the pivot table and the charts that 1 month has the largest customer group with 1,738 customers, which shows high acquisition but low early retention. 13 plus months has the smallest group, 95 customers, which highlights the difficulty of keeping customers long term. 2 to 3 months and 4 to 6 months has moderate numbers, 414 and 563 customers, which indicates a potential drop off after initial engagement. 7 to 12 months shows strong retention segment with 1,529 customers, showing customers who stay beyond the first month and often remain engaged. Now, what is our key takeaway from this analysis? This analysis shows us that high new customers inflow, but retention beyond the first year is very low, and there should be room for targeted loyalty programs. Another one is large categories might not always be the most profitable, which is why we did another pivot table looking at revenue in the next slide. Now, revenue by retention category. Here's the pivot table and the charts. From there, we can see that 13 plus months has the highest revenue contribution at 10.36 million, proving that long-term customers have a high lifetime value. 7 to 12 months, which is the second largest revenue group at 5.36 million, which confirms a mid-term retention and is profitable. Then, short-term customers, 1 to 6 months combined, contributes relatively little despite making up most of the customer base. Don't forget their customer base is 414 and 536, so they contribute very little even though their customer base is a little bit high. Now, what's our key takeaway from this analysis? We need to make effort to push customers past the early months into long-term retention, which will significantly boost our revenue. Now, strategies to improve customer retention and value. Number one, enhance onboarding and early engagement. We should create welcome offers, product education, and quick win experience to encourage repeat purchases within the first 3 months. Number two, mid-tier engagement boost for 7 to 12 months. We should introduce exclusive perks, loyalty points, or bundle offers to convert mid-tier customers into long-term high-value clients. Number three, long-term loyalty programs, 30 plus months. We should offer VIP discounts, early product access, and recognition program to reward loyalty and encourage advocacy. Then number four, targeted communication. We should use personalized email or SMS campaign based on purchase history to re-engage lapsed customer and upsell active ones. Number five, data-driven monitoring. We should track customer movement between retention categories monthly to measure strategy impact and adjust quickly. Now, what's our key takeaway? Moving customers from short-term to long-term category should be our main priority, because when we move them to long-term category, it multiplies our revenue potential. Now, summary and insights. Number one, retention pattern show clear opportunities. Most customers are in the 1 month and 7 to 12 month categories, but the highest revenue is driven by 13 plus month customers. Then number two, revenue impact is disproportionate, which this means that long-term customers generate significantly higher revenue despite being fewer in number. Number three, critical gap in mid-term retention. For the 2 to 6 month customers, they represent a smaller share, which suggests a drop-off in engagement after initial purchase. Number four, strategic focus should be on converting early-stage customers into loyal long-term buyers through targeted retention initiatives. Then number five, data-driven approach will help monitor success and fine-tune strategies over time. Now, to close this, retention is not just about keeping customers, it's about keeping the right customers that will engage longer. It's about keeping the right customers that will engage longer in our sales and to help us maximize lifetime value. Well, thank you for watching today's data analysis challenge. Have a blessed week and see you next week. Ciao.